Today we're diving into a game changer for the Pi network, a moment that could reshape not just our community, but the entire landscape of decentralized technology. Imagine a world where your everyday actions, your participation, and your computing power contribute to something much bigger than yourself. That's exactly what's unfolding right now. Pi Network is teaming up with OpenMind, a collaboration set to redefine our network's capabilities. This partnership isn't just a headline, it's a bold step into the future where blockchain and artificial intelligence join forces to unlock new possibilities for everyone involved. We're transitioning from simply securing our ledger to powering the next generation of AI. This means that the infrastructure we've built together is about to become the backbone for cutting-edge technology, enabling smarter, faster, and more secure applications that can benefit people all over the world. This isn't just an update, it's a leap forward, a transformation that will set new standards for what decentralized networks can achieve. We're not just keeping up with the times, we're setting the pace for innovation. Millions have contributed to Pi's growth, and now we're taking it to the next level. Every tap, every connection, every shared moment has built a foundation strong enough to support this ambitious vision. The power of our global community is about to be realized in ways we never imagined. OpenMind adds a new layer, utilizing our community's distributed power. By harnessing the collective strength of Pi users worldwide, we're creating a decentralized supercomputer, one that's open, secure, and driven by the people. Your computer can become part of a global supercomputer. Whether you're running a Pi node or simply participating in the network, you're contributing to a massive, borderless engine for progress. This is the future of computing, accessible to all, powered by many. We're using collective computing power to train AI models that can solve real-world problems, from healthcare to finance, from education to environmental protection. The possibilities are endless when we work together at this scale. This isn't just a feature, it's real-world value for the network. By participating, you're not only helping to advance technology, you're also earning rewards and contributing to a system that values your input and your resources. It's a move that redefines cryptocurrency's potential. No longer is crypto just about transactions or speculation, it's about powering innovation, supporting AI, and creating tangible benefits for everyone involved. Get ready to be part of something groundbreaking. This is your chance to help shape the future, to be at the forefront of a technological revolution that puts people and progress first. We'll explore what this means for you, your Pi node, and the future of AI and cryptocurrency. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a miner, or just curious about what's next, there's a place for you in this journey. This innovation excites me because it's about community-driven progress. It's about ordinary people coming together to achieve extraordinary things, using technology as a force for good. Let's dive into how this collaboration will impact us all. We'll break down the benefits, the opportunities, and the steps you can take to get involved right now. It's not just about technology, it's about building the future together. So are you ready to join us on this incredible adventure? Let's get into it. Let's quickly revisit Pi Network for newcomers. Pi Network is a revolutionary cryptocurrency project that aims to make digital currency accessible to everyone. Pi Network aims to create an accessible cryptocurrency. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies that require significant computational power, Pi can be mined on your smartphone. Unlike Bitcoin, Pi is mined on your phone, promoting inclusivity. This means that anyone with a smartphone can participate in the network, making it truly democratic and inclusive. Pioneers are the global community driving this project. These early adopters are crucial in building and expanding the network. Your participation has been crucial to Pi's growth. By engaging daily, you help secure the network and validate transactions. It's not just technology, it's a social movement. The Pi network is about more than just digital currency. It's about creating a global community. Your daily engagement supports a shared vision. By checking in daily, you contribute to the network's security and growth. We've built a strong user base and infrastructure. The network's strength lies in its active and engaged community. The Pi community's diversity is our strength. People from all walks of life are coming together to build something unique. With OpenMind, we're unlocking our network's true potential. This initiative allows for greater collaboration and innovation within the community. This collaboration marks a new era of real-world utility. Together, we are paving the way for a future where digital currency is seamlessly integrated into our daily lives. Let's discuss Pi nodes, the backbone of our network. Nodes run on computers, ensuring security and decentralization. They validate transactions and maintain the ledger's integrity. Node operators are vital, contributing resources to the network. Running a node shows commitment and offers greater rewards. Our network of nodes is a massive, untapped resource. OpenMind collaboration unlocks this potential. Your node is about to become more significant. It's time to harness our collective power. Meet OpenMind, our new partner in AI. OpenMind democratizes AI, breaking away from tech giants. They create decentralized AI systems, distributing tasks across networks. This approach empowers smaller entities and fosters innovation. OpenMind's technology fits perfectly with Pi's distributed nodes. Together, we challenge centralized AI infrastructure. OpenMind gains a decentralized platform. Pi gains real-world utility. It's a partnership that empowers individuals over corporations. We're building an alternative to big tech's dominance. This collaboration is a game changer. How does your Pi node power AI? Let's break it down. OpenMind divides AI tasks into micro-tasks for nodes. Your node processes these tasks using idle computing power. This happens seamlessly in the background. The system adapts to your computer's activity, pausing when needed. Thousands of nodes working together create a powerful AI network. Your computer becomes part of a global brain. Each completed task earns you rewards. This new earning mechanism enhances your node's value. It's a smart, efficient way to contribute to AI. Let's talk about earning more Pi with OpenMind. Your node's computational work now earns you Pi. Each completed microtask is verified and rewarded. This incentivizes running nodes and participating in AI tasks. It's a utility bonus, separate from existing rewards. Your computer becomes an active, value-generating machine. This step links computational work to Pi's value. Demand for Pi grows as more use the AI network. You're a provider of decentralized computing services. It's a new era for the Pi economy. Let's take a closer look at how traditional mining compares to the new approach we're introducing. In the world of cryptocurrencies, mining has long been associated with massive server farms, rows of specialized machines, and enormous amounts of electricity being consumed every second. These operations are often hidden away in remote locations, humming with activity as they race to solve cryptographic puzzles. Bitcoin mining, for example, relies on proof of work. This means computers compete to solve complex mathematical problems, burning through energy and generating heat, but the only real outcome is the validation of transactions and the creation of new coins. The process itself doesn't produce anything useful beyond maintaining the blockchain. In contrast, Pi and OpenMind use a different model called proof of utility. Instead of wasting energy on arbitrary puzzles, your computer performs tasks that have real-world value, like training artificial intelligence, processing scientific data, or running essential digital services. When you run a node, your computer's power is put to work on meaningful projects. It might help analyze medical research, train smarter AI models, or support services that benefit society. Every bit of processing power goes towards something that matters. This approach is far more efficient. By channeling energy into productive tasks, we reduce waste and create tangible value. It's a smarter use of resources, and it helps address real-world challenges. Best of all, you don't need expensive, high-powered mining rigs. Anyone with a basic computer or laptop can participate. This makes the system accessible to people everywhere, regardless of their technical background or financial means. Your everyday computer, the one you use for work, study, or entertainment, can now contribute to a global network. You become part of something bigger simply by sharing your device's unused capacity. This inclusivity is at the heart of Pi's mission. We believe technology should empower everyone, not just those with access to specialized hardware or vast resources. By opening the door to all, we foster a truly global and diverse community. Now, we're extending this mission even further, into the world of distributed computing. Imagine millions of computers all over the world, working together to solve important problems and drive innovation. Instead of competing against each other, participants share resources and collaborate. It's not about who has the most powerful machine, but about how we can all contribute and benefit together. In this system, everyone is rewarded for their contribution, no matter how big or small. Your efforts are recognized, and you become an essential part of a larger ecosystem. It's a sustainable, equitable, and forward-thinking approach. By leveraging renewable energy and focusing on efficiency, we can build a system that's good for both people and the planet. Together, we're building a global decentralized supercomputer, one that's useful, accessible, and designed to solve real problems for humanity. This isn't just about securing a digital ledger, it's about creating a new paradigm for how we use technology, how we collaborate, and how we share value. By working together in a cooperative system, we're challenging the status quo and opening up new possibilities for innovation and progress. This is a revolutionary way to build a decentralized network, one that empowers everyone, rewards meaningful work, and paves the way for a smarter, more connected future. What AI tasks can our Pi nodes power? Let's explore. Imagine a developer training an AI for plant identification. Our network provides affordable computing power for this task. Your node analyzes plant photos, aiding AI learning. Together, we empower small creators to compete. Or consider a non-profit tracking misinformation during disasters. Our nodes process social media posts, providing critical insights. Universities can analyze climate data with our network's help. These are practical applications we can enable today. Your contribution fuels innovation and makes a difference. Let's bring it all together. Pi Network and OpenMind's collaboration is a statement. We're building a decentralized alternative to tech giants. As pioneers, we're at the forefront of blockchain and AI. Every micro-task is a step towards a democratic digital future. Pi is the currency powering a global supercomputer. Demand for Pi grows as more use our network. We've built a strong community. Now, we channel that power. The future is something we build together. Join us in shaping this pivotal moment.